Hi guys, it's Neetu and today I'm going to be reviewing the CC Color Control Cream by Innisfree. It's one of my favorite brands. This one is the Real Skin CC Cream SPF 30 PA++. This is the box. I'll give you a close-up there. So it has Jeju minerals and Jeju green tea and Jeju camellia, and it's a 4-free system, so it's silicone free and it's paraben free and it's 2 other things free other than that. But you know, most of this is in Korean, so I can't really understand or read it. It says color change, color control, moisture, and smooth fit. So those are 4 things that it does. Smooth fit means it makes your skin look smoother and it stays on, like it sticks to your skin. It doesn't like rub off very easily. What I think about it is it's awesome. Okay, I can compare this to the Etude House CC cream, and compared to that, this has basically no coverage, but it works really good as a primer. It has less capsules in it than the Etude House one, and it has more of a pink tint to it as well, but when you put it on your skin, you won't notice the pinkness. This is what it looks like when you just pump it out. And you can spread it and you can see that it's a white cream, but you just blend it in. It is quite blendable. You blend it in and it just gives a bit of like a brightening effect, and it just makes your skin look smoother. But after, you can't see anything. It offers no coverage. It does help your skin to look smoother, and I think it works as a primer and helps the makeup that you put over it stay on and last longer and look nicer. And so with the Etude House CC cream, it offers more coverage than this one, but it doesn't have good fit, or it doesn't like stick onto your skin, and you know, it easily rubs off, and it's just not as fitting, let's say, as the Innisfree one. The Innisfree one is more primer than the Etude House one, and the Etude House one gives more brightening and a bit more coverage than this one, but both of them, you know, you can't compare to a BB cream or a regular foundation. So it's really just a primer, and I like it for that because I was in need of a primer actually. So I'm glad that I did get it and that I do have it and I can use it as such. But so if you're looking for a foundation or a BB cream or something with a bit more coverage, then this is not for you. But if you're looking for a primer, then this is good. And so I really like this as a primer, not a foundation, not a BB cream, and this is a CC cream with no coverage. Really what it does is it makes your skin look smoother, and it helps your makeup to stay on and last, and so it's a primer. And it hasn't broken me out, and it hasn't irritated my skin, and I have really sensitive skin, so thank God for that. That's basically all I have to say about it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!